Greetings children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further videos. The following video is for class 4, subject General Science, chapter 6, our tongue and teeth, part 2. Now in the part 1 of this lesson we learned what is the teeth or what is the tooth, right? A tooth is a small white structure made of calcium. Then we learned there are two sets of teeth present for that will be present in every human being, that is the milk teeth when a very young age and the permanent teeth which will be there throughout our life. Milk teeth we will have 20 in number and permanent teeth 32. So further we are going to learn what are the different name of the tooth. There are four different types of tooths, that is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, incisors, canines, canines, premolars, premolars, molars, molars. Now here you can see incisors, canines and premolars. After premolars only the molars, the last set of tooth, those are the molars will be present. We are now going to see what are their shape and what are their functions. First we are going to see the incisors, incisors, incisors. Incisors are, we use incisors to cut our food. They are the front part of our teeth set. The edge of the teeth are flat and sharp. It should be sharp because we need it sharp to cut the food or bite a fruit, right? So we can bite the food easily. This is the picture that you can see on the screen is the shape of the incisors that will be present in the front. Now next is canines. We use canines to tear our food. Especially this is special for the animals which eat flesh. It helps them to tear the flesh and eat. These teeth are excuse me. These teeth are sharp and pointed and help us in tearing the food. This is the shape of the canines. Here you can see where the canines are present. First four teeth will be the incisors, then one teeth will be the canines on each side of the uh, teeth set. Okay. Next is premolars. We use this teeth to grind our food. They are also called bicuspids. They are also called bicuspids. Biscuspids. Bicuspids. These are premolar tooth. This is the shape of the premolar tooth. After premolars, it is the molars. We use molars also to grind our food. Now when you're chewing the food, your food goes inside before going inside your in the mouth, you chew the food using these molars and the premolars. They have lot of curvings which will help you to grind the food and make it more easy to swallow the food. So here you can see the number of teeth. First you are going to see the temporary teeth, or this is just for the reference. Here first you can see the number of temporary teeth. Temporary teeth is nothing but your milk teeth. You have 4 central incisors, then 4 lateral incisors. 4 means upper jaw 2 incisors, lateral incisors, lower jaw 2 lateral incisors. Then 4 canines, 4 first molar and 4 second molars. This is totally in your mouth, not only in one jaw. Totally there are 20 temporary teeth. In permanent teeth, that is the adult, which we get the number of 32 teeth, that is 4 central incisors and 4 lateral incisors. Totally 8 incisors teeth is present. Then 4 canines are present on each side of the jaw. First there are 4 first premolars, second premolars, that means 8 premolars, then 4 first molars, 4 second molars and 4 third molars. totally 12 molars. Totally there are 32 permanent teeth which will be present um, in our mouth. Okay, there are there are the last set of the third molars are there, no, four third molars. They are called the wisdom tooth. They grow only at the age of after 21 years. After 18 years they start growing, and it takes a lot of time to grow that third molar four tooth of third molars. Those grow in the very last end. So now we are going to see what are the different parts of a tooth. Different parts of the tooth. Teeth are fixed in the jaw bones, are held in a place by cement. A layer of tissue called gums seal the teeth to the jaw and protect the teeth from germs and bacteria. Gums means your red color in your mouth. When you see, you can see the red color present in your mouth. Those are called the gums, which it is present in our jaw, which protects the tooth from germs or the bacteria. Next is, if you see at the internal structure of the tooth, there are three layers of the tooth. The topmost layer is the enamel. The topmost layer is the enamel. In the middle, it is the dentine. And the innermost part is the pulp cavity or the pulp. Here you can, these red color and blue color lines, these are called the nerves. Okay, these nerves only are present in the pulp cavity. You don't worry about this word. Okay, you just remember the enamel, dentine and pulp. These three are the inner parts of the tooth. Now here the upper part of the tooth, it is called the crown. Crown is the part which you can which is visible part of the tooth. Now enamel is the hardest material of our body, the covering of our tooth. If you're not able to open a packet from your with your hands, you use your teeth, right? So the enamel is the hardest material of our body. This hard coating covers the inner layer. It is normally white or light gray in color. Crown is the visible part of the tooth. The part of the tooth under the gum is called the root. The crown and the root. You don't have to worry about the neck part of the tooth. The cementum is the layer of the tough yellowish bone-like tissue that cover the root of the tooth. And so the important parts of the tooth are dentine, enamel, pulp, then crown and root. These are the important parts of the tooth. Please practice the different parts of the tooth, and please try draw and learn the drawing of the part of the tooth. Understood? Remaining part of the lesson we'll complete it in the next video. Take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you, children.